Hey everyone, it's Rhonda with The Cozy Loft. Today we're going to make this craft jar. The only things we're going to need for this are jars, paints, and paintbrushes. This is so super simple. All you do is remove the lid. You'll want to set this aside so that you don't get any kind of paint or anything on it. Remove the sticker if yours has one. What we want to do next is go ahead and wash this with some good dishwashing liquid. After it's thoroughly dry, take an alcohol swab or a cotton ball dipped in alcohol and clean the outside of it where it's going to be painted really good and get any kind of residue that might be on there off. Do one coat. What you'll want to do is hold it from the top, like put your hand in it, put your fingers in it so you can hold it here. Okay, now we'll start with the second coat. You see that it looks really bad right now, but don't worry, it's going to be okay. And it's optional if you want to sand this down some, which I do because I want it to have a distressed look. And now you can decide which area you want to paint on. If yours has writing, you may want to choose a smooth side. I have the lid here. As you can see, this little gingerbread man or woman. I want to kind of go by this because otherwise it would look odd if there's a totally different style and color there. I'm not going to do it exactly. I'm going to change a few things up here, but mainly I'm going to go by these colors. So here is the finished jar. I did some dots around there and I think it would be really cute for a decoration. It would also be cute to hold a Christmas gift. So these are super easy to make. They do take a little bit of time. You could use stickers instead of painting it on though, and that would be easy. You could also use spray paint. Be sure to subscribe. I'm going to be having a lot of fun on here, so I'd love to have you stick around. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you all soon.